Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to create a Flipgrid account and how to use it to assign videos for your students. First of all, you need to go to flipgrid.com and click on create free account. You will enter all of your information and just go ahead and create the grid. I'm going to go ahead and log in since I already have an account. Alrighty, so as you can see, this is what you're going to get when you entered. Now, they're going to give you a grid. A grid is a classroom. And you're going to notice the very first thing, that when you click on your grid, they're going to tell you you can only have one grid. As a matter of fact, and this may be one of the drawbacks, the free version only has one grid. You have unlimited topics, and the topics can be divided in class. You can just basically say period 1 or first period or ELD class, and then assign the topic from there. The recordings on this device is only 15 seconds or 90 seconds. That's it. You can share your videos, but they will stay, I believe, privately. Now, this can be linked to your Google Classroom with the assignment just being posted over there. So going back to creating an assignment, the easiest way will be to click on your grid name. Mine is just Mr. Milmo, and create a new topic. Okay. And the topic will be how to make a video assignment using, so there was okay, so I don't know if you noticed, I cannot type more than a certain number of characters, which is typical. You put the display date, you tell me how many seconds you want. I'm gonna make this 15. Again, it only gives you free the minute and 30 seconds and 15 seconds. Minute and 30 seconds is usually enough. Over here, you can go ahead and describe. I'm trying to teach you how to assign how to make video assignments. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and make it visible. You can make it hidden if you don't want it to be visible yet. So this is good if you're gonna plan ahead. Then you can go ahead and add resources. You can either make a recording and a video example to show your students. You can add an image, upload a video, add a YouTube video. Maybe you want them to watch a particular movie and then talk about it. You can even add a Giphy. So you enter the topic, and then you're gonna go ahead and enter a GIF. Okay, so you enter the GIF, just make sure it's clean for the students. I think that's clean. So I enter a GIF that's just funny, just kind of like a teacher there. And then you go ahead and have the topic attachment. Again, you can include an external link for a project or whatnot. You can ask for response features. They can go ahead and do stickers and drawings, emoji reactions. You can moderate it. You can reply to it. You can set emails and wide choice selection over here. I'm not going to go over all of them because we don't have the time. And then you can select the feedback and create a topic. The last few are optional, by the way. So success, your topic is ready for responses. All you have to do now is share the grid with your students. So on the iPad, the students will go to Flipgrid and then click on Get Started. Now, if you recall, I'm going to try to make that smaller. There you go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and enter. We'll allow camera. You need to teach this to the students. They need to allow the microphone and the camera to click OK. After a while, they'll be able to do it. So you can either scan a QR code or you can enter a grid code. Notice that one of the drawbacks of the Flipgrid is that the code they give you is fixed. So if you get one of those weird letters that some of the newcomers, may get confused, like this is a 0, not an O, you're going to have to educate them. Did I enter an O there? Oh my God, Mr. Milmo. Okay, so that's a drawback on this application. But, once they're there, it'll be easy. So they can see the assignment, how to make a video. They can click on it. They can click on the add. and then they can go ahead and start recording. I'm making my first Flipgrid. Haven't even assigned it to the students yet. That's awesome. Okay, and then you pause it. That's 8 seconds. I like it. Click green to submit. Check it. You don't like it, you can trash it and make it again. Click green to submit. This is the point of a selfie. And they can get silly here. Okay, and then they can hit emotions and emoji, and they can go ahead and enter emojis in there. Enter a pizza because I'm hungry on my tongue. And they submit, they have to put their name there. So I always ask them to put their name, first and last name. Actually, the last name, leave it out because that way you can share it. If you have the last name, you cannot share it. You can enter the rest optional. So remember, the last name should be just the initial. You cannot share a student's last name. That's not allowed by the district. You click submit, success, return to grid, and there's the video already. As a teacher, I can go ahead and come over here, click on my grid, and I should be able to see the responses. Hold on one second. Okay, so there you go. So I see a response, and I can access it, and I can grade it. That's it. Now, I am sharing with you on the handout some videos from Jessica Williams' class. Thank you, Jessica. So feel free to check them out. And this is just talking about Rosa's Rescues book. Okay, so let's pick an Ansaroni. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and stop now. Stop sharing, okay? Hope that helps. Bye.